I'm back.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so this one to. Ay, maramaot ko sa imong lalaki, Jillian. Okay, so this one, wait ha. Okay, so here, let us have here the reading. You write true or false only. Look at reading number two. You write true or false only. I wait. Huh? Okay. Okay, check the sentences that uses the underlined part. Example, good value. Okay, good value product is reasonably priced and good quality. So do you think it is correct or you will write correct? You will like check if you think it is correct. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, why your voice is so small? Sabi ko sa doon. Ay, sabi niya lang. Pero wag nagway mo lagi umot sa rin. Isanggol-anggol lang lagi. Macam pa na Jill kay mao sa mga gwapa kag picture. Gwapa ka og picture. Pero sa personal day mao ta diri gagagway oy nagwapa ra ni sa tungod sa Twitter Rio. Diba? O be asa man ko be. Ako ba lang di ko gwapo sa picture pero tanaw sa personal o kaysa gwapa man sa picture pagtara sa personal. Pagtara sa personal, oh my God, fake news. Ano yung dagway? Pabibigas Jill, no? Tamot na hubalin ko palitan. Pabibi pa Jill, no? Dili. Di ba dili paton ako? Awa lagi po lang lagi ng hotdog. Imbes 6 inches lang, may wala man lang 3 inches. Kang gym, siguro dahil 3 inches na dahil. May pag gym dahil 3 inches na dahil. Dahil. O ano ta dahil. Dahil. 3 inches. Dahil, ingat. Dahil, ingat nila ko sa pag mamaya mag-yun, so, sa 3 inches. Sanod, ingon ko, basta nga ni kadat ah. Kaya ingon sa kajim ko na 3 inches ako nang ubuan. Ano ba sa yuri? Oo,
Japanese teacher.
Okay. Okay, good quality, very good. Customers face shipping costs when picking up goods. Oh, it depends this one ha, because not all customers will gonna pay when they pick the goods. Okay, the table costs $200 before adding VAT. Okay, consumers compare price quotes from different shops. Okay, of course, consumer always compare the price quote. How much is it? Or they will going to compare. What do you mean by consumer? Do you know the word consumer? Do you know that? Do you know that? Do you know that? What do you mean by consumers? Consumers,
I think I don't know.
consumer, it means
Means
customer or consumer are the people who consume, like the one who eat vegetable, the one who drink cola, the one who buy clothes. They are consumers. They are the one who consume or they are the one who eat. Okay? Hey. So, Tono, teacher, and don't have enough time. Okay? Thank you so much for today. Okay, Tono? Can you hear me?
yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much, Tono, for this evening. Okay. So teacher, and when will we see again? When?
I think tomorrow, 8
Oh,
p.m.
oh, sorry, I have class tomorrow at 8 p.m. Can we make it on Friday, 8 p.m.? Are you okay?
I what time, teacher?
8 p.m. on Friday. What do you want?
Weekend Friday I have literature class.
Ah, literature. Oh, you're eating? Okay. Oh, Saturday. And Sunday. You want Saturday and Sunday?
That is okay.
Okay, go. Okay. Okay, so thank you, Tono, for today. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Yes, good night.
Good night.